history of the show goes back to the founding of the company in the early 2000s. We've gradually grown and gotten bigger and bigger and needed bigger spaces. And then we got too big. We got too many people wanting to be a part of this show, and we had to come here to beautiful and very large McCormick Place.
So it is our first time in Fortune Fish Show. Fortune International acquired D'Artagnan 3 months ago, and so we are putting our feet in the water today. And it's pretty interesting to see what's happening here and how we're going to have to integrate all this together.
It's a festive show. I think a lot of people were ready for it to come back.
So we want to see people and enjoy to see the faces to the show. Yeah.